Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we're going to show you how to log into your Co-op Bank account, which is also known as Cooperative Bank account. First, open your preferred web browser and then at the address bar type in bank.co-operativebank.co.uk. Now you'll be directed to the login page. Here, type in your username and click on Next. After that, type in your password, then enter the first and fourth digit of your 6-digit security code. After that, click on Continue button to log into your Cooperative Bank account. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure to double check every information you have provided. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot your login details link and follow the instructions to reset it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.